Hey my loves, welcome back to our channel. We are here with another one and a new collaboration with Nadula hair. So we are back with Nadula hair. I hope, oh, it's stunning. This is fresh out the pack for y'all, okay? Hair, and I have her in 24 inches. This is beautiful, okay? I don't even want to run my fingers through her. This is a headband unit. She has one large comb in the front, okay? One comb in the back. It has this Velcro band and no adjustable straps, but still, Wakanda forever. And look at how stunning she is. Lord Jesus. Just stunning. I'm so excited about this. I'm going ahead and throw her on. We have her on, and she is absolutely positive. Wow. Stunning. I said I didn't want to put my fingers through her, but mother is providing. Look at that. All right. So one of the great things about Nadula hair is that when you go to their website, they give you an assortment of gifts, guys. So you don't just purchase the hair. You purchase the hair and you get cute little gifts, and we all love some gifts. This unit for me came with some headbands and a little purse, okay? And some wig caps. So it'll be a mystery what you get, but nonetheless you'll get some gifts here, okay? Let's get into styling her up. All right, guys, let's get on into the nitty gritty of this Nadula hair headband wig. Okay, now this unit is in a BodyWave, and she is 150% density, and I have her in 24 inches. Okay, she is 24 inches of love, sex, and magic, and she is going for just under $215. Now, let me say this. I know how y'all do. I can feel you in the back. All right, I feel all that energy. The reality is that this unit is absolutely worth $215. Okay, the hair on this unit is some of the best that I have experienced while doing human hair units. And we're just being introduced to Nadula hair, and let me tell you something. It's very nice to meet her, okay? I'm really feeling this unit. She is big head friendly, which allows for you guys to pull that band up a little bit further than usual. She curls so nicely. I'm just really impressed with this unit, and I didn't experience any shedding or any tangling, which is really good. I mean, when I say this unit is really quality, I was not that I was surprised, but I am impressed. Okay, so go ahead and check out Nadula.com and get into this BodyWave headband wig and every other wig they got. guys, I am not going to pretend like I haven't done several headband wigs, but I will say this. Nadula hair, can you please come to the front, Nadula? Now, first of all, don't nobody love a hard, you know what I mean, hood girl name like me, okay? She's into sorry. Hey, Nadula girl, nice to meet you. This hair is fire. I mean, fire. I mean, on actual fire. It is so bomb. It feels so good to the touch. It's so lightweight. She's bouncing. Did you see how mother came up out the pack? Stunning. It was, I'm so impressed. This was like one of the best first dates I've had. Ever. This is the best first date I've ever had. And I really cannot get enough of her. Mother came through and provided an entire mood. Okay, so I'm really into this one. You guys need to check them out. I'm going to make sure I leave all the details for this unit and any other unit. Buy them down there. I 150,000% I wish I had like touch vision or something like that, so you guys can bust up on her and touch this hair. As soon as I pulled it out the pack, that was my actual reaction. Like, I had checked to make sure the wig... I had checked to make sure the wig was in the pack, but I didn't actually pull her out. And for me to see how stunning this hair was and get to play in her and curl her up and everything, this is stunning. And this is stunning. Stunning. I'm outdone. I'm outdone. I hope you guys are feeling her just as much as I am. We tried a different style with our headband wig, and I hope you like that too. Shout out to Glam Shay because she inspired this one. But I'm outdone. I'm outdone. I don't believe that this is stunning. This is absolutely stunning. I am outdone. And I'm keeping her. Okay, so if you have not already, bust down. I'm going to send you an invitation to our wedding because her and I, we're going to be hanging for a while, okay? And I'll see you beautiful months later.